ard bheas a gcónaí winter black agus an tradiisiún asar tháinig siad is tócha agus na fréimhacha ó na bhór siad a chud óraníocht agus an dúile bhíach i gcónaí sa ceol agus an óraníocht le chéile agus mar sin de.
My mother came from inner city Dublin, and her type of music would have been old music hall type songs, and the bands who would be playing at the dances would invite my mother up to perform kind of in the break, and she loved that.
Bhí si dochreite mar dhéal gur sin an just seaamhsús in Anocht agus ní raibh aon fáibaí leis an sais bród a bheith eici an ceol a bheith a bhí eici.
Cuoine má máthir, bhíon chosíocht sa tepiheice. Má tá treis tabal don níthe a bheith caite i ggéiseach leabhráidige, chaach sí héana aránrá, bhíoh sí i lár an éananig ag an gceolchaidím.
She know when she did that spot on the Late Late Show, and I think initially was supposed to sing a verse and a chorus, but she Gay Byrne couldn't shut her up. He kept trying to, get in and give her a big round of applause. She'd go on into the next verse. And now I have to call him
Next week, part 2 of the Mammy Black story. It'll only take us an hour and a half and be all right.
It will certainly be a moment that would go down in history in our family, for sure. It's so typical my mother, so typical Patty Black from the Liberties.